Alright, I'm doing a review of the OmniShaver. This is the prototype model. It's got 6 blades, they both run each way. I think there's 6 in there. But it looks pretty neat, and here I go. It seems to do a really great job as you go back and forth. As per the instructions, you can shave either direction, hence the name OmniShave. And it's very smooth and doesn't seem to miss a spot. The only thing I'm worried about is I'm one of those boys with the big fat head, and I got the big fat creases in the back of my neck, which usually are pretty hard for me to get. So I'm gonna see how it does back there. Seems to be doing a great job back there on the back of my head. And then my fat folds back here, I had to put off a little while doing my video because I had a head injury. I got in a fight with the bathroom cabinet. It says that per the design of the OmniShaver that you don't have to rinse and all this like you do a traditional razor because of its design, which is pretty cool. And as you can see, it does. It's pretty quick. It's making short work. I had about probably 2 days worth of stubble this time, and it's just wiping it right away. It's very painless. There's no pull, and I'd have to say that I'm very impressed. I would recommend the OmniShaver for anyone who shaves their heads.